What is this, pray tell? Whatever it is, it's gonna be epic! Fire! Why are you doing so much? Hey, yo, it's your girl ILLz. I got my baby, Niella, and yeah, twice baked. This is What's in Your Fridge Wednesdays. And this is when we go to our fridge, see what's left from what we cooked from the weekend up until now, and decide to turn our leftovers into something that's reimagined, recycled, and repurposed. Yes. You said I said what?
That these were cranberry beans?
Who do you say what?
I was like, why are they red?
Let's get up close and personal. These are, yes, Queen. These are in fact cranberry beans.
Interesting.
Yeah, they're in season, so we're gonna make some chili. And we're using cranberry beans to make our chili. It's really no different than just shucking regular old snap beans. But yeah, just press against the seam, and the seam should crack for you.
Okay. So these are cranberry beans.
These are cranberry beans.
Oh, okay. These open nicely. That center just line, just like that. Comes apart real easy. I'm stuck on the cranberry beans, sorry.
So this should be fun, interesting, and wholly entertaining. Hope you guys are here for the shenanigans. P.S. We came through with the epic pickle spicy garlic while we're at it, and it did get a little infused while they weren't looking, but it's all good. We just made it better. We made a good thing better.
Yeah. Put some CBD on it.
You know it!
This one has a little seed and a bean.
Oh,
A baby bean.
there was a baby in there. All right, y'all. It's your girl ILLz. I got my baby.
Niella.
She got that smoky thing going on. Hey, we are twice baked. Oregano. Feeling dilly, Philly. Parsley, darling, parsley.
Ooh, smoked paprika.
Baby! Get some. Alright, so this is going to be the chili base.
Looking good. Smelling even better.
Yeah, that's how we're gonna start with the chili. You know, we just gonna let this garlic do its thing for a minute. They just gonna hang out in here for a little bit. Just chill. Chill.
Chill for the chili.
Alright, and with the cranberry beans.
Ooh, these will be some tasty beans.
All that seasoning. So you, and you, and you. All right, then we're gonna add some liquid in here. Actually, we're gonna add some vegetable stock, then some liquid. So to this, we're gonna add some Miracle and mustard seed.
All right.
And last but not least, just a little bit of mist vegetable stock. It made it in there. All right. Let's mix it up. Add some liquid in.
Liquid. Say when.
The rest of the ingredients ready to go in. In the meantime, in between time, we're gonna go ahead and let this simmer down nice. So we're gonna let them beans cook. Mercy on him. Gotta show him who's boss. It's 2020. Everything's on the table.
Hey, you said that.